All right, guys, I just had to clean up my dog's vomit. I did not want to show you this because it's absolutely disgusting and nobody wants to see vomit. Although people do want to know how to clean up vomit easily. The easiest way I have found is to take a piece of cardboard like this, it's an old pizza box. You take it, a piece about this big, whatever size you need, depending on how much vomit you have. You cut it like so. I'm going to put the phone. You cut it straight. Now, you have two pieces. What you want to do is you do not want to cut it this way with the cardboard corrugation. You want to cut it against because it's stronger. You take this cardboard corrugation and you hold it in two hands, which I can't do with a phone. You scoop up the vomit and toss it. You can scoop it 2 or 3 times before the cardboard gets soft and toss all the big stuff. Once you toss all the big stuff, then you can use your paper towels or your mop or whatever you need. But the important part is to use the cardboard to get rid of all the big stuff. That is the easiest way I've come across to clean up nasty dog or even people vomit. Sure, you can always use sawdust, or cat litter or something like that, but we don't always have these things available. If you don't have cats and if you don't have 14 pieces of wood and some circular saws in your garage, which I happen to have, you won't have these things. This is an easy way. We all have cardboard or can get a hold of some cardboard. Just make sure you cut it against the corrugation so that it's stronger and you can use 2 pieces to scoop it up and throw it away. Hope that helps you guys because cleaning up throw up is absolutely disgusting, and once you get rid of the chunks, it becomes a much more manageable mess. Take it easy, everyone. Have a nice one.